Now, MP for Western Portland Daryl Vaz, in the meantime, says he will continue to advocate for a replacement bridge in 2025, and he's optimistic the residents' patience will be rewarded.
I'm hopeful that a replacement bridge will come in 2025. There was a consultation done earlier this year with the residents as part of the process for the Ministry of Finance, and therefore I expect that it will go to the Ministry for approval, and we'll be able to go out and get a contractor to start and complete the work in 2025. It has been a long and difficult road as a result of the closure of the bridge and the maintenance of the bypass based on inclement weather that has been increasing. And of course, we have gotten rain since Beryl, non-stop up to the time of speaking to you now. There is still rain in West Portland and particularly in Craigmill. So we're working as best as possible, and I'm sure that my advocacy will come to positive results.
The MP explained the strategy they've been utilizing to keep the alternative path accessible has worked for the most part.
I can understand that it's not an ideal situation having to use a bypass through a river, especially with the amount of rainfall that we get in Portland. But we have been able to maintain it, and every time that there has been a washout, we have been able to respond within 24 hours to make sure that people are not marooned.